Hi and welcome to this Garden Gnome software screencast. This screencast is going to be looking at our Garden Gnome package viewer. Now Pano2VR and Object2VR can export packages which are all the files compressed into one little package, originally designed for CMS websites such as Drupal and WordPress. Now the idea is that we've now written and developed a little package viewer which means you can now see these or display these packages on your desktop. So the first thing we need to do then is go and get the package viewer. So if we go to gnome.com and then type in /ggpkg and then viewer, all one word, when we hit return you'll end up on the package viewer page. If you cursor to the bottom, you can see you can download both the Windows and Mac builds. So if you download the version for you, I've already got the Mac version downloaded, and everything you're going to see now is going to be for the Windows build as well. So the first thing the second thing I'm going to do now is go and get myself a package. So I've got Pano2VR opened. I've got a multi-node tour which has media, and I'm going to click this little button here to generate my package. I'm going to save it to the desktop and just click save. So Pano2VR is taking all my files, compressing it and creating one single file package, and there it is. Okay, cool. Right, so there's the package. Now by default, if you double click to open the package, it will use either Pano2VR or Object2VR to open it. If you want to open the package in the package viewer, you just drag and drop onto the icon and it'll open up. There you go. Right, so it decompresses, opens it, and it's going to be like it's published on the internet, so it supports all the features. So in this case, we've got the projection flying, we've got transitions, it supports all the things like pop-up images, videos, etc. Right, okay, cool. So that's that. If you haven't got our software on the system, i.e. one of your customers, if they've downloaded the package viewer on their system, you only need to send them the single file. So when they double click on it, the package viewer will decompress the contents, and then you can view the Pano or object. Now you can also double click the viewer and open it up, and you can choose a file from here. So you can choose the package, or you can drag and drop the package onto the dark area and it'll open it there as well. So there's lots of different ways to open a package. Now the viewer doesn't only open packages. If I open up my project, my Pano2VR project, I can actually just drag and drop the output folder in as well. Now the difference with this is there was no decompressing, because obviously the output folder is not a package, it's not compressed. So if you've got say gigapanoramas or a multi-node tour, you can just drag it in and there's no time for decompressing, and again it supports all the features, in this case like full screen. Right, so that's cool. The other thing it does is we've got a couple of hidden modes. Now the reason why we've hidden them is because it can be a little bit tricky to get out of, but these are by design. So if we double click anywhere in the dark area, you can see the options pop up, and we have our full screen and kiosk mode. Now this really only affects the Mac, because both of these, if you like, are almost the same on the PC. So if I select the open full screen mode and drag and drop in the package, you'll see it decompresses, it opens, and yes, it opens in full screen. The full screen button is now null and void, but because this is full screen mode, to get out of it on the Mac, you just move the cursor up to the top and you can close the window there, because obviously the menu bar scrolls down. There we go. On the PC, what you would do is you would press the Windows button, and then you would right button click on the package viewer icon in the taskbar, and you'd close it from there. Okay, so if I now go back to the package viewer, double click and switch to kiosk mode, I'm going to do the same thing now, drag in the package, and we're going to open it up. Again, it's virtually the same. It opens up in full screen mode, but on the Mac now there is no menu bar to be displayed, so we can't get out of it. So basically you'll just do the command Q to get out, and that's the end of it. Again on the PC, you just Windows button and right button click on the player to exit. Right, okay, so that's basically all the little features of our package viewer, and thanks for watching.